In this video, we are going to go over the steps needed to get started with Adobe Sign. Adobe Sign is useful for signing documents and sending documents to people that need to be signed, and then also managing those documents after they've been signed. So the first thing we're going to do is create the document that we would like to be signed. And to do this, we're going to use Microsoft Word. So we'll open up Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. And then really quickly, I'm just going to put together a basic template that includes the initials of the person who needs to sign the document, their signature, the date that they signed the document, and then also my initials, my signature, and the date that I signed the document. Now that all this is complete, we can click on the File menu in the upper left-hand corner of Microsoft Word and click on Save as Adobe PDF. Then I'll type in the file name for the PDF document. It may automatically open up using Adobe Acrobat. So we can review that and then close this. And now we'll open up a web browser and navigate to adobe.com. And then in the upper right hand of the Adobe website, click on Sign In. Once on the sign-in screen, you'll want to enter your TCNJ email address and then click the Continue button. You may be presented with two options depending on how your Adobe account is set up. You can proceed with a personal account or the company or school account. Please select Company or School account. This should bring you to the TCNJ Single Sign-On Web Application Portal. Here, you can enter your TCNJ username and password. Once signed in to the Adobe website, look for the icon that has 9 squares in the upper right-hand corner of the web page. When you click on this icon, you should see Adobe Sign as one of the options. Click on Adobe Sign. And here in the middle, there's a section that says Send Document for Signature. I will click on Request Signatures. So we'll send this over to our friend Ben for him to sign. And then I'll also include myself. And you can add as many signatures as you need for your document. Now I will click on Add Files and choose files from my computer. I'll navigate to the document and add it to the files list. Down here at the bottom, there's also a checkbox that says Preview and Add Signature Fields. That will give us a preview of the document and allow us to add and edit our signature fields. Now we can click the Next button. Adobe Sign will process the document and prepare it for signature fields. Now we can preview the form and add our signature fields. First, we'll add the fields that Ben needs to sign. At the top right, you should see an area labeled Recipients. And here we can see all recipients of the document and add the fields for that person. We'll make sure Ben is selected. Next, I will add an initials field by clicking and dragging on initials and placing it in the document. Next, I will add a signature field and add that to the document. Next, I will expand signer info fields. And here we can add a number of things, including their title, company, name, email address, and the date. And today, we are just going to use the date field. Now that we've added all the fields that Ben needs to sign, we will add the fields for ourselves. So I'll click on the Recipients tab at the top and select myself. Now you'll see that the fields for the other people have been grayed out, and I can add fields pertaining to myself. So in the Signature Fields section, we will click here, and I will add an initials field and a signature field. And then under Signer Info fields, we will expand that and add the date. Now that our document is complete, I can click Send This will be sent to your recipients in the order in which you requested that they sign the document. So we can see here, we received a notification that Ben has signed the form. And now I can sign the form. So I will fill out the fields using my digital signature. I can revisit the Adobe Sign webpage and click on the Manage tab. And then click on Completed. And here we can see that this document has been completed. Then from here, you can open the document, review its contents, and print it, email it, or save it to your hard drive. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please contact the TCNJ Help Desk.